Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to transfer ownership of your workspace in Notion. First, click on Share and now add the people to your workspace. So I will quickly add this guy to my workspace in order to make him I will give him a full access and click on Invite. In order to make him a admin of this workspace, go right here to your workspace name and then Settings. Click on People and then on Members. This guy is just guest right now, so let's click on these three dots and upgrade to admin. Now this will upgrade him to admin, and as you can see, he is workspace owner as well. Now just change my permission to member or leave workspace if you want, and this guy is now has a ownership of this workspace. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.